I have some first generation AirPods on, and because I got them when they first came out, I've had them for a little while. That means over time, the battery has gotten less and less, and almost to the point where it's unusable. But now I've gotten the batteries replaced for almost half the price. Let's get into it. If you ask me what my favorite piece of tech is, without a doubt, I would say the AirPods. Now, I have the first generation AirPods here, and I got them when they first came out and when it was really hard to get. So, the reason why I would say these are my favorite piece of tech is such a small package can deliver so much, right? I'm not an audiophile, so they do deliver decent audio quality, and I mainly listen to spoken audio, podcasts, and church messages, and all different kinds of things like that. But even the music I listen to is very good to me as far as that's concerned. Now, the other thing is the microphone quality. This is still the gold standard, I would say, of truly wireless headphones. Now, there are other better headphones, but not all of them are truly wireless headphones, and for the price you get. Now, these retailed for about $120, $130, but over time, they will degrade. The battery does degrade, and especially if you use them every day. That constant discharge and recharging of batteries, your batteries will degrade over time. And so there's, without a doubt, these have degraded over time to the point where they were unusable. After 5, 10 minutes, gone, right? I was lucky enough to get an extra one from a friend. He had an extra right one that he thought he lost, he found later, and so I cleaned it off. I was able to use at least one AirPod, right? To get them replaced, though, it costs you, I believe, about $80 out of warranty to get one replaced. And then you would have to, if you lose the case, that's an extra charge. So after a while, if you lose both of them, of course, it's better just to get a new pair. But there is a company called the Pod Swap, thepodswap.com. They're not sponsoring this video at all, but I heard this from one of my favorite podcasts, the Mac Geek Gab, and a listener brought in a quick tip about replacing the batteries. So what happens is, instead of going through Apple's replacement batteries, what they will do is send you a refurbished pair of AirPods, which they clean but they have a new fresh battery in there. And what you do is you send back your old pair. And what they'll do with that old pair is they'll do the same. They'll replace the battery in that old pair, clean it up, and then sell it again. So it's a great business. Everyone wins. It's about half the price. I spend about $70 after everything, and they send you everything in this nice box. So I'm going to show you the unboxing of the box they send you and what you get in the box as well. Okay, so this is what you get in the box. It comes in this mailer here. I'm not going to show you the mailer itself because has my address on there, and I'm going to try to hide the label that's in here. But here you get the two new earbuds or AirPods. You get some stickers, some support card here, lets you scan easily, and then a welcome to the club. And then under this is the actual label that you put over. So if you look at the box itself, it gives you the instructions. Swap it out with the fresh ones they give you, seal it with the label, and then ship it. And then what they'll do is they'll do the same thing they did with these buds. These are refurbished buds with new batteries in them. So it's pretty cool. So here are the actual buds themselves. I'm just going to unbox these really quick. Just tape it up really easily in this kind of bubble wrap. So just got to learn to take the bubble wrap off. And basically they have two new AirPods now. And these are just refurbished AirPods. They clean them and then they put in new batteries. And so now you have perfectly working batteries now. I'm covering up the sticker. There's probably a serial number on here, but one is labeled to the left and the right. So pretty simple. And all you do is just put in the old buds and put them into these containers. And then what they'll do is they'll do the same thing, refurbish them. So pretty cool idea. Way to kind of revive your old ones without paying full price for them. Hope you found this video helpful. Again, the Pod Swap is not a sponsor of this video. I don't even know if they have an affiliate link, but I've had a really good experience using these. So now I'm going to send back the box today, and hopefully everything will be smooth. But I'm really happy. I have a fresh pair of AirPods. Now this is the first generation AirPods. So whatever generation you have is the generation you can swap with. So you can't say I have my first generation. I can't just swap with a second generation right now. So anyway, just keep that in mind. Anyway, if you found this helpful, give it a like and consider subscribing. Until the next one, see ya.